Welcome to Stable Court Apartments. My name is Emily Wilson, and in this short video I would like to tell you a little about Stable Court and the exciting new phase which is currently underway. The building behind me is the main Stable Court building, consisting of 7 properties, made up of 1-bedroom apartments and 2-bedroom houses. Opposite it, on the far side of the courtyard, is the old former coach house. It is around 200 years old and has had several purposes throughout its life. In more recent years, it has had stables and a tack room on the ground floor, and a henhouse in the loft. In 2019, building work commenced on the transformation of this beautiful and historic building into 4 luxurious 2-bedroom apartments. They were due to be completed in June later on this year, but the coronavirus restrictions have delayed the building work. But this is what we have got so far. I hope this has given you a small taste of Stable Court. Thank you for watching.